Hey everybody, Tom Barnes here. Stories from the 78 from the Fulton Market right off of Fulton and May Street. Enjoying my 2026 New Year's resolutions. Have you kept yours? We're like, what, 8 days into the year? And I know a lot of people have already ditched out. I mean, it's gray out. You're kind of stuffed from the holidays. Have you been journaling? Have you been doing your manifesting and all the things? I can figure out a way for you to make it a little bit easier on yourself. And that is Eastend, right here at the corner of May in Fulton Market. It is a place where you can do a finished sauna, cold plunge. They have this amazing light therapy situation they have going on here. I'm gonna talk to Suman for this story from the 78. She is one of the co-owners of this great spot here in the West Loop. As I said earlier, new year, new mindset, new results, and that's what you can get here at Eastend. I'm here with Suman. How are you?
I'm good. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year to you. Eastend, 1 year anniversary this January here in Fulton Market. What are you guys all about?
So we're a modern wellness club. We're really focused on longevity. Our goal is to make you feel better while you're here, feel better in your life for longer as well. And so we have lots of different technologies, traditional as well as new high-tech machines. Finished sauna, cold plunge, immortal, which I'll show you in a bit here.
Oh, I'm very excited. Yeah. If you mind, let's go on a little tour.
Yeah, let's do it.
I noticed you got some things on the wall right when you walk in. What are these things over here?
Yeah, so these are different pieces of retail that really support all the treatments here and longevity overall. So we have everything from sexual wellness to skincare to nutrition as well. Again, pairs really well with a lot of the treatments here, but also great for you to take home.
And so you could take it home, you can bring it with you into the sauna and enjoy all the things that you have. And now we're walking into this back space here. Is this a spot where you can kind of just reflect before you go in or after you go in or the whole thing? Yeah,
so it's a lounge. It's really a space for folks to meet before after their sessions or treatments. And so it's a place for connection.
It's a beautiful spot here. Kind of a perfect day to be inside and enjoy something like this. Yeah. You have something that kind of separates you from the rest of the pack in terms of wellness spaces like this. Immortal. What is that? Let's see that.
Yeah, follow me. Immortal is a fan favorite, so definitely exciting. Also incredibly beneficial.
You also have lockers. I didn't want to forget to point out you have lockers for people to change. There's a changing room back that way, but this is Immortal in here.
Yes, this is Immortal.
Right, lead the way.
Yeah.
So what are we seeing right here?
Yeah. So this is the Immortal Chamber. It brings together several different technologies. Essentially, it puts you into a deep meditative space. And we like to call it a human recharge station. So it's got red light, it's got vibroacoustics, it's zero gravity to actually put you into a better space as well. Molecular hydrogen that you can see here, basically that's for detoxification. So I particularly love it. It meets you where you are because it puts you in that deep meditative space. You come out feeling wonderful.
So do you get warm in this space? I mean, how does it work? Do these red lights, do they get intense as far as the intensity of the lights to get warmer, or is this kind of what you're getting, what you see here?
Yeah, what you see here is actually what you get in terms of the intensity of the light. Red light doesn't get incredibly warm. Really what it is it penetrates through your skin and really improves cell health. So it's great for acne, it's great for detox, and it's overall really, really great for better health.
How long does a session like this typically last?
Yeah, so it's usually 25 or 50 minutes. We have both options. So if people are looking for a longer experience, you can do that, but 25 minutes is really a great time to put you in that deep meditative space.
I gotta say, I did that not that long ago. It is fantastic. It's one of my favorite things here, and it's among many other things that you have here. Anything else we need to know about Immortal?
No, I mean, come experience it. That's the biggest thing to
know. And usually the door is closed. This is a private room where you can change. And the best benefits, you said, the less clothing, the better for your body's rejuvenative health.
Yeah, that's exactly it. You want maximum skin exposure. So in addition to it being a private space, it's also soundproof, so you can really kind of dive into the experience.
Okay, so that's Immortal. And then next door here, you have another feature that will help you with your 2026 New Year's resolutions and beyond, right?
We've got an infrared sauna. We've got Luke in there right now. This is a different, kind of sauna. than we have, which I'll get into in a second here. This really heats from within, so it's a different type of heat, and it's also, of course, a private space for folks who are looking for that type of experience.
Yeah, so more of a private experience that you want to do on your own.
Yep.
And then, of course, you have other fun things as well.
Yes.
You have a salt chamber, is that right?
Yes.
And a whole other light therapy situation.
Yeah, we've got a salt chamber, and we've got a light bed as well. Again, all of these are really to support your longevity. So this is the salt chamber here. It puts fine particles of salt all throughout this machine, and essentially what it does is it's really great for decongestion. And so that's one piece of it, hair as well as skin, but I love it because it makes me feel like I'm at the ocean.
And you do get some of the decongestant out, and
Yes.
not to be crude, but people ask all the time, you have some Kleenex in here if you are detoxifying, right?
Yes, we definitely do. I have allergies, so for me it's particularly wonderful. I go in there and it's a full decongestion, so we keep Kleenex in there for folks to use.
And this is what you kind of do. You just hang out in there,
You
right?
just hang out.
Hi.
Yep.
Sorry.
Hang
Thank
out,
you.
Close your eyes. You can read a book, but yeah.
Usually, again, this is closed, and
Yes.
you have this space to yourself. What are we seeing here?
Yeah, and it's one person at a time.
Right.
Of course,
Yeah.
so
Usually, it's
very
not two people here. We're just doing
Correct.
this for the sake of TV.
Yes,
as
so
I
it's
say.
very private. This is a light bed. So light therapy is wonderful for various reasons, but it's not only red light that people have heard about, blue light, green light, and everything in between. So we've got Cass in here. We can show you a little bit about what blue light and green light
Sure.
looks like here. So this is, as you can see. Da, 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 da. This is the blue light that you see. This is really, really great for killing bacteria at the very top layer of your skin.
Okay, so this is all top layer.
Yeah, this is the top layer of your skin. A lot of other benefits, but we also wanted to show
Wow.
the green light. Yeah, it's
So
bright.
what's the green?
Yeah, so the green light is that next layer of your skin. It's really great for supporting if you have migraines or issues like that. It also goes to support other skin challenges like rosacea. And then of course there are red light that we also have in the other room, which is great and gets even deeper into your skin, things like acne support.
So how does it work when people come in here? Do they sign up for one particular thing? Do they get a whole day pass? How does it work when people come to Eastend?
Yeah, so you can sign up for any one of these on their own. So this, for example, is a 15-minute treatment. You can certainly do that, salt chamber or immortal, but we really think it's very beneficial to stack some of these treatments. And of course, we also have memberships so that you can rotate through, as you'd like, a few times a week.
And we haven't gotten to like the grand finale, if you will, if we're a fireworks show. We're gonna check that out in a second, but that is the cold plunge and sauna, right?
Yes, Finnish sauna and cold plunge.
All right, let's go.
Yep.
Look at this space. You're looking at the cold plunge right off of May Street here in the Fulton Market. And before you use any of these services that involve water or the Finnish sauna, you gotta jump into the shower, rinse off, and that's kind of it, right? As far as what prep you need for these two particular things, correct?
That's it.
So we're gonna go in here, explain a little bit about what we're about to do and see.
Yeah, so contrast therapy is the circle or circuit between sauna, cold plunge, and rest. Ton of benefits here. Let's go in.
So how warm is it in here? Because I know it's gonna be warm, right?
Yeah, it's very warm. It's
Oh yeah, it's definitely warm.
Yeah, definitely warm. It's 195 degrees,
Okay.
Which is great. But wanted to talk a little bit about the benefits of the sauna. So it is great for detoxing. It is really great for increasing your heart rate, skin health, sleep, and a myriad of other things. And so we've got several folks in here right now experiencing it. And Luke is doing an essential oil infusion.
Yeah, we have lemongrass for everyone today. Like someone was saying, our sauna's 194 degrees. With the steam on here, we get it well over that. So it's nice and hot, get you detoxified. We got your bag.
And this is what usually happens at the beginning of the session, right?
Yep.
Oh, now Luke's doing the towel thing. I love the towel thing. Luke, go for it. Do your towel
I don't
thing.
wanna hit you, but sure.
So this is just moving around the essential oils in the space, right?
Absolutely. We try to keep the hot air in without bringing any cool from the ground. This helps disperse it. And then we like to create a little convection as well. Air fryer for those that may not know convection. Give you a big boost, jump start before your plunge.
So there's plenty of space in here to hang out. And 15 minutes is what people spend in here, right?
Yep, it's up to 15 minutes is typically what we recommend. And then we head to the cold plunge. So if you all want to come out, we can go in.
Yeah, they've been here for 15 minutes. Usually this happens at the beginning with the treatment there.
Yep.
So we're going to come out here, do the cold plunge, and rinse off, and we'll be ready for that in a second. All right, 15 minutes in the sauna gets you out in this space here, ready for the cold plunge, right?
Yep. So we're gonna have these folks cold plunge in a second here. Again, it's the cycle between sauna, cold plunge, and rest.
Go for it, ladies.
Typically, we help you breathe, so we'll do that. So take a few deep breaths and head on in.
Go for it. And this is the coldest one that I'm in right here. This is the 40-degree one, right?
I'll hold your hand. I'll hold your hand.
We got a solid
I got
reaction
you, I got
happening
you.
over here. So is it cold, yes?
Yes, it's so cool.
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
So you're not putting your hands in. Is there a reason? Is it easier to do with no hands?
It makes it a lot easier. Some people are better than me and take the feet out as well, and they have a much better time.
Much better time. So you're also doing hands-free?
Yes, I can't get there yet.
No? But you're all in. You're in the coldest tub and you're all in. So are you, is your skin starting to tingle right now? Are you going numb? Or are you just trying not to think about it? Tiny little knives. So here's the torture wall, if you will. This is the wall where you got to do this for 2 minutes, right? So 2 minutes typically is what you recommend for people to get the full benefits of doing a cold plunge after the finished sauna. Is that correct?
Yeah. So we always say like sauna is great, cold plunge and rest rounds it out, but permission to hate. If you don't want to do the cold plunge, you don't have to, but you really see those benefits when you're in there for anywhere from 1 to 3 minutes, depending on where you are. So there's no forcing or anything like that.
I will say we're about a minute 30. You think you ladies can handle another 30 seconds or so? No pressure. I'm the idiot that's standing on the outside in jeans and a sweatshirt right now. So. And this is typical of a day here when you have people coming in and out. People are doing this multiple times for a session, right?
Yeah, people are doing, typically we rotate between 3, so 2 to 3 times per session, and we recommend this full circuit a few times a week. That's where you're going to see the longevity benefits, where you increase your health span, so feel better and live longer.
Ah, absolutely. So here we are. Torture wall says 2 minutes, ladies. You are free to get up. And what do they do now after they get up out of the tubs?
Yeah, so now get out, shiver, and then you can then go grab some robes, and we have some tea that is available to all of you, caffeine-free tea. So once you grab your robes, you can head on over there, and this is when we start the rest. You really see a lot of the benefits coming from rest. You want to bring your temperature up naturally. Let me grab some tea myself.
Absolutely.
You
worked hard.
You want to bring your temperature up naturally, and you really see a lot of the benefits there. So they'll head over and grab the tea.
So how does this work for people that want to come here? Is it a drop-in service? Do they have packages? How does it work here? And this is what you recommend to end up, just because it warms you back up a little bit?
To grab the tea and then come sit down. There's comfy benches here where you can come down and have a sit. And so the way that you can come to Eastend, we're really, really flexible. So drop-in is available where you can come in, try things out. Packages are available too for people who want to come in here and there. And then of course the biggest benefit is consistency. And so that's where memberships really come in. A bunch of different options from memberships to twice a month, all the way to unlimited access, which provides you all access to everything in the space: sauna, cold plunge, Immortal, and everything that you just saw as well.
So ladies, are you exhausted from doing this? Is it really? All right, so you're rejuvenated, right? On this cold January, well, it's actually not that cold today. The water is probably colder than it actually is outside for the temperature today. But thank you so much. I appreciate you coming by and letting this stranger videotape you guys doing this stuff. I appreciate it. What days are you guys open?
We are open 7 days a week, about 360 days a year.
And people can sign up for these individual sessions online, like you said, or the packages and anything in between. They just got to call and ask you, right?
Yep. practiceeastend.com is where you can find out more information and book there. But of course, you can always give us a ring.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much. Appreciate it, ladies. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Great. Thank you.
All right, that is Eastend here in the Fulton Market. Tom Barnett, Chicago@gmail.com. If you have a story from the 78 suggestion, hit me up there or go to the website, storiesfromthe78.com. Appreciate you watching. Happy New Year's, everybody. Be sure to check out East End here in the Fulton Market.